BRAINY presents The Psychology of Charisma. Why some people are instantly likable. Some people just have it. That magnetic presence, that effortless charm. They may not be the loudest in the room, the most successful, or even the best looking, but something about them just clicks with people. Well, that's the psychology of charisma in action. The best part is that charisma is a skill, not an inborn trait or some mystical force. And if you understand the psychology behind why some people are instantly likable, you can develop it too. So, let's break down the key habits of charismatic people and how you can apply them to your life. Number 1, they make others feel important. Think about the last time someone made you feel truly important. Maybe they remembered your name, asked follow-up questions about something you mentioned weeks ago, or recognized your contributions. You see, likable people don't just talk at you, they engage with you. They give undivided attention, remember details, and listen actively with sincerity. This taps into a fundamental human need, the need to feel acknowledged. Everyone wants to feel significant, and yet most people don't put in the effort to make others feel that way. So when someone does, it sticks. It's really not that complicated. Just be present, listen, engage, validate. Make people feel like they matter, because when you do, you become someone they want to be around. Number 2, they radiate warmth, not just confidence. Some people mistake charisma for dominance, but real charm comes from making others feel safe, comfortable, and welcome. Sure, likable people project confidence, but they do more than that. They invite you into it. They make you feel like you belong. It's in the way they smile effortlessly, how their body language stays open, how they nod and respond in a way that makes you feel heard. Want to be that person? Relax your shoulders, uncross your arms, look people in the eye in a way that shows you're present without being overpowering. Warmth disarms people. It makes them feel at ease. It makes them want to stay in your orbit. Number 3, they know how to tell a damn good story. Some people speak and immediately capture attention. Others drone on, and you mentally start making a grocery list while pretending to listen. The difference? Storytelling. Charismatic people are well aware of this. They don't just tell you what happened. They make you feel it. They paint pictures with their words, add just the right amount of suspense, and make even mundane events sound like a blockbuster movie. Want to level up your conversations? Start telling better stories, and most importantly, make them relatable. When you tell a great story, people do more than just hear you. They actually listen and connect. Number 4, they make others laugh. Have you ever noticed how much easier it is to like someone who makes you laugh? Humor is an instant connector. It breaks tension, makes conversations enjoyable, and creates positive associations. Now, this doesn't mean having a stash of jokes memorized or being the most entertaining person in the room. It's more about finding the fun in everyday situations. Likable people know when to laugh, at life, at themselves, at the absurdity of the moment. A good laugh makes people want to keep talking to you, and the more fun someone has in your presence, the more they'll associate you with good energy. Number 5, they show small acts of kindness. Kindness is underrated. In a world full of distractions, a small, thoughtful action cuts through the noise. It tells people, I see you and I care. And what happens when someone makes you feel valued? You like them instantly. If you want to be more charismatic, start paying attention to the details. Be that person who follows up. Be the person who remembers. The smallest effort often makes the biggest impact. Number 6, they have high emotional intelligence. Likable people have an almost superhuman ability to read the room. They can sense when someone is feeling left out, when a joke didn't land, or when someone needs a boost. No Jedi mind trick here, just a matter of paying attention and understanding that interactions aren't one size fits all. Likable folks adjust their energy based on the situation, knowing when to dial up enthusiasm and when to hold space for someone who needs to be heard. If you want to improve your emotional intelligence, start by observing, not just responding. Pay attention to people's energy, Match their emotional tone when appropriate, and show empathy in your interactions. The more people feel like you get them, the more they'll be drawn to you. Number 7, they don't try too hard. Here's the biggest secret of all. The most likable people aren't trying to be liked. They're not filtering their personality, overthinking their every move, or trying to be someone they're not. They're just authentically themselves, and that's what makes them magnetic. People can sense when someone is being fake. That's why trying too hard to be liked usually backfires. It comes off as desperate. So stop worrying so much about impressing others. Instead, focus on being the kind of person you'd want to be around. At the end of the day, likability isn't a mystery. It's a series of small, intentional choices. Start making them today and watch how people respond. What do you think? What's one trait that makes someone instantly likable to you? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Also, to learn more about many other interesting topics, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.